Are you looking for to use dual capture camera mode on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started without any further delay. First thing first, move into your application camera. Once you have opened the application camera, you need to head over to photos instead of video. Once you have moved into photo, now if you're using iPhone 17, you should see this icon at the top right corner of the screen. You simply need to click on this dot icon. Once clicked, these things will pop up on your screen. At the bottom, you'll see the option of dual capture. You need to click on it. And there you go, the dual capture camera mode has been enabled. It will show you both the front camera view and also the back camera view at once. You can start capturing the photo or the video as per your need, and then you'll be good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.